found this online, the KFC 11 herbs and spices. So we're going to mix it up and see if it works. Try to take a third of it out. Half a teaspoon of basil. Third of a teaspoon of oregano. One teaspoon of celery salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of dried mustard. 4 teaspoons of paprika. 2 teaspoons of garlic salt. So let's use the half. Do 4 of these. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. 3 teaspoons of white pepper. 'Kay. Here's some wings I made using what I believe is the Kentucky Fried Chicken 11 herbs and spices recipe. And I made this 2 days ago. And I air fried it. So I'm gonna heat it up again in the air fryer and eat it. This is the rest of it. And what I did to make it is I marinated it overnight in a cup of 2% milk with a tablespoon of pickle juice. And then when it came out, it was already cleaned, of course. I've already cleaned the chicken, then marinated in the milk and pickle juice. Then the next day, I dried it off, added a little mustard, the seasoning, the KFC seasoning. I used self-rising flour, put some more of the KFC seasoning in there, and then air fried it. And this came out pretty good. You can definitely taste. It's very similar to the KFC taste. And my sister ate some and she said it was even better than the KFC taste. So give it a try. And if you like it, leave a comment. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.